How to enable picture-in-picture on Messenger, use Messenger video call. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture on Messenger so you can use Messenger video call while using other apps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and tap on General. Here you will see an option called Picture-in-Picture below the AirDrop option. Tap on it. Make sure the Stat PIP automatically is toggled on. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. Now go a step back. Scroll down a bit and tap on Background App Refresh. Here from the list of apps, search or scroll down for Messenger. Once you find it, make sure to toggle this on. Finally, you can open Messenger and video call your friends or family. The picture-in-picture will be enabled on your device. So that's how you enable picture-in-picture on Messenger and use Messenger video call while using other apps. That's all for the video.